welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I wanted to share with you a simple, elegant winter tablescape. And this video is actually part of an open collaboration, and I am a co-host of, and this is the Color Series Tablescape open invitation that is being hosted by Marilyn from It's a Cozy Lifestyle. As I said, I am her co-host and she is doing a color series. Now Marilyn does this color series every month, and this month she asked me to be her co-host, and our colors were to be black, gold, and green. So let me take you around and show you how I have put this table together. So I am using my brass color chargers that I picked up on clearance from Target. They were normally $10, and I want to say I got these for like $6 or $7. I don't remember. But to go along with that, we are using a very cheap 50-cent place from Target. And I keep these plates because I have small grandchildren, and it's always helpful to give them an unbreakable plate. I am also using a plate that I have thrifted. You guys have seen this many times before. It's from the Goodwill, and it was 59 cents. And I am pairing with it my green salad plate that I thrifted. It was part of another tablescape challenge that I did with Glamour Ellen. And I really love the green in these plates, so I decided to use them again, along with these green goblets. I absolutely love them. And then we're using our napkins that I purchased from Hobby Lobby that, they were from Christmas time. And I want to say they were 50% off. I want to say they were about $4 or $5. And we are also using these really pretty wine glasses, which are dusty. I need to wash these glasses. I don't use them that often. But I picked these up from Goodwill, guys. You never know what you're going to find from Goodwill. Goodwill is the place to be, so I always tell you to go check out your local Goodwill when you are looking for inexpensive ways to decorate your home on a budget. And if you are new here, that's what my channel is all about. I love decorating with style on a budget and trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you are into saving money and you love DIYs, budget-friendly decorating, and all things in between, this channel is for you. So I would appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. So as I said, this is a very budget-friendly winter tablescape. Absolutely love it. This vase, which is actually a utensil holder, I showed you guys in a haul not too long ago. And I am using this greenery that I picked up from Hobby Lobby during the Christmas time. So you can always repurpose your greeneries if you do not want to go straight into spring. Coming off of Christmas, I always leave out my winter greens to give me that winter look. So that is a tip for you as well. But I just love the way the black and the green go together. I think it is so timeless and elegant, so sophisticated. I am using my wrought iron candle holders that I picked up from Amazon. They were $2 for $10. I went to look at them the other day because I wanted to buy some more, and they are way pricier now. So I missed the boat on that, but I do love the ones that I was able to pick up. So here is our second tablescape look. You guys know I like to give you some different options on decorating your table, and using so many accessories can get very expensive. I mean, very expensive, because you're always spending money to create new looks. So I thought I would simplify this tablescape. We didn't add a lot of pieces, and what we did add was very budget friendly. So I have brought in these pine cones, which you can find right now probably at a very deep discount from Michael's or Joann's if they still have their Christmas clearance out, or you can go out in the woods and pick up your own pine cones that are free. So that is a budget-friendly, inexpensive way to add a touch of winter to your decor, is by using pine cones. Also, we have brought in our placemats. These are my placemats from Pier 1. You guys know I use these placemats all the time. They were also purchased on clearance, very budget friendly. I want to say they were like $2 a piece. And we are just doing some layering. So we have our placemat, then our charger, then our plate, our salad plate, and our napkin. We're using the same gold and black silverware. And I think this also is a very budget friendly and elegant tablescape that anyone could create on a dime. And that's what I love about this tablescape and what I love about decorating on a budget. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know which tablescape you like best, 1 or 2. I think I really like this tablescape over number 1. I think the addition of the pine cones just added, I don't know, something extra that I think the table was missing. But let me know if you agree, and I'm sorry about the lighting, it's horrible. But let me know if you agree. I like this tablescape. So do you like number 1 or do you like number 2 best? I really like tablescape number 2, so let me know your thoughts. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you do not miss any upcoming uploads. I have a home decor haul coming up that you guys do not want to miss. I have lots of budget-friendly goodies that you can find at your local Home Goods, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx possibly. I will leave a link below for Marilyn's channel, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants, where you can go and check out everyone's tablescape for this series. Again, the color is black, gold, and green. And if you didn't know about the challenge and would still like to participate, it is never too late. So let's take one last look at the table, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.